Harriet, Harriet, Harriet the dog, Harriet the dog, the best dog in the multiverse. The multiverse.
Always interested me where this idea came from. Vampires and angels are two of the most enduring and iconic supernatural creatures in literature and pop culture. Despite their many differences, in recent years the two creatures are often linked with many drawing connections between the two.
Harriet is the best dog in the multiverse. I love her and I treasure her, and she's the best dog ever. No disrespect to Lukey, Marky, and Marky the second, and Dakota, dogs that I've had in the past. Harriet is the best dog. An awesome dog. She is awesome. Harriet, Harriet the dog, Harriet the dog, Harriet the dog, Harriet the dog. Say hello to your adoring public hanging out with me in the lair. The lair.
This is why the idea of a vampire angel is interesting. It's like a flying fish, something that shouldn't exist.